okay?
I'm tired. I'm really tired.
You
I need a coffee.
wake up.
I'm so tired.
You don't want to read? You want some coffee.
Oh, you don't want anything? You want coffee!
You know, girl, you want coffee. Coffee.
It's really far. Like you need to go straight for 3 blocks and then turn right for 4 blocks and go like 30 minutes, I think.
Ready, we are in the kitchen and these things are only for the teachers. But what if we can have our for student coffee machine? It will be an honest
Little Michael.
be an honest coffee machine. The crowdfunding is to buy it. So you can just put your money or coins in a cup next to the coffee machine if you want. If you don't have coin, doesn't matter. It's just for buying coffee. That's why it's honest. So support us, support the students of Francis King because we are all in Angover. You will be in Angover, I'm sure of this. And let's buy a coffee machine for students. Please.
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 I don't believe you. Are you serious?
Please.
I got it.
Support us.
Support us.
Support us.